Caster Semenya biography, awards, wife, controversy. Caster Semenya biography. Caster Semenya, Mokgadi Caster Semenya, was born on 7th of January 1991 in Polokwane, previously called Pietersburg, in South Africa. She is a South African middle distance runner and 2016 Olympic gold medalist. Caster Semenya education background. Secondary student at Nthema Secondary School. She attends the University of Northwest where she studies sports science. Caster Semenya career. In July 2008 he participated in the 2008 World Junior Championships and won the gold in the 800 meters at the 2008 Commonwealth Youth Games with a time of 2:04.23. In 2009 during the African Junior Championships she won both the 800 meters and 1,500 meters races with the times of 1:56.72 and 4:08.01 respectively. The 800 meters time was the world leading time in 2009 at that date. 17, it was also a national record and a championship record. Semenya simultaneously beat the senior and junior South African records held by Zelda Pretorius at 1:58.85, and Zola Bud at 2:00.90, respectively. In August 2009 he won gold in the 800 meters at the World Championships with a time of 1:55.45 and the final setting a record at that time of the year. In March 2010, Semenya was denied the opportunity to compete in the local Yellow Pages Series V track and field event in Stellenbosch, South Africa, because the IAAF had yet to release its findings from her gender test. On 6 July she was cleared by the IAAF to return to international competition. She returned to competition 9 days later winning 2 minor races in Finland. On 22nd of August 2010 she won the Easthoff meet in Berlin. In 2011 she finished third at the Bislett Games. In 2012 Summer Olympics opening ceremony he was selected to carry the country's, South Africa, flag. She won a silver medal in the women's 800 meters, with a time of 1:57.23 seconds. On 16th of April 2016 she became the first person to win all 3 of the 400 meters, 800 meters, and 1,500 meters titles at the South African National Championships, setting world-leading marks of 50.74 and 1:58.45 in the first 2 events, and a 4:10.93 in the 1,500 meters, all within a nearly 4-hour span of each other. On 16th of July 2016 she set a new national record for 800 meters of 1:55 and 33 seconds. On 20 August, she won the gold medal in the women's 800 meters at the Rio Olympics with a time of 1:55.28. Semenya set a new personal best for the 400 meters of 50 hours 40 minutes at the 2016 Memorial Van Damme track and field meet in Brussels. Caster Semenya awards and honors. In 2012 she was awarded South African Sportswoman of the Year at the Sports Awards in Sun City. On 27th of April 2014 she received the Bronze Order of Kamanga as part of Freedom Day festivities. Caster Semenya gender controversy. In 2009 after she won the women's 800 meters questions were raised about her sex. The combination of her rapid athletic progression and her appearance culminated in the IAAF asking her to take a sex verification test to ascertain whether she was female. The International Association of Athletics Federations, IAAF, says it was obliged to investigate after she made improvements of 25 seconds at 1,500 meters and 8 seconds at 800 meters, the sort of dramatic breakthroughs that usually arouse suspicion of drug use. Rules forcing female athletes to take testosterone-suppressing medication were suspended in July 2015 for 2 years, pending further investigation, after it was challenged by lawyers for the Indian sprinter Dutee Chand, who was suspended under hyperandrogenism rules. Chand's lawyers claimed it was sexist to force female athletes to take testosterone-suppressing medication when men's testosterone levels are not recorded. In November 2009 South Africa's sports ministry issued a statement that Semenya had reached an agreement with the IAAF to keep her medal and award. 11 months later, in July 2010, she was cleared again to compete in women's competitions. Caster Semenya wedding and wife. On 7th of January 2017 she married her longtime partner Violet Traceboy in an extravagant white wedding. The event, attended by the couple's friends, relatives, scores of local celebrities and athletes, followed a traditional ceremony.